Gandhiji is known as the father of the nation. His great deeds and immense efforts made him a fatherly icon and also a great person, a Mahatma. He gave the mantra of Satyagraha. Gandhiji began a series of hunger strikes in protest of the treatment of the untouchables. He named these untouchables as Harijan. Harijan means children of God. He taught the principle of equality, fraternity and brotherhood. Gandhiji was a strong pillar of the Indian freedom struggle. Do or die was a slogan given by Gandhiji at the Gowalia Tank Maidan in Bombay for the Bharat Chodo Andolan. I salute this great personality. And now we listen something about Lal Bahadur Shastriji. Lal Bahadur Shastriji was an Indian politician who served as the second Prime Minister of India. He promoted the White Revolution, a step of national campaign to increase the production and supply of milk. It was accelerated by supporting the Amul Milk Cooperative of Anand, Gujarat and creating the National Dairy Development Board. He was a member of Gandhiji's non-cooperation movement. He was known as the man of peace as he always preferred the path of peace instead of aggression. In his school days, Shastriji had to swim across the Ganga River twice a day with the book tied on the top of his head. It was because he couldn't afford the fare of boat. He became a great personality and was the first leader to make a provision for women conductors and drivers in the public transport. The slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, coined by him, is very much remembered to this day. His famous slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan
Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. He was a good student in his childhood. He led the freedom movement. He loved truth and ahimsa. He was the man of simple living and hard thinking. He died on 13 January 1948. I end my speech with this song. Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram Patita Pavana Sitaram. We call Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His mother's name was Putlibai. He was a great freedom fighter. He believed in non-violence. People called them as Bapu. भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय. Thank you. महात्मा गांधी जी एक स्वातंत्र्य सैनिक होते. त्यांना राष्ट्रपिता किंवा बापू असे मानतात. त्यांचं पूर्ण नाव मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी. त्यांचा जन्म गुजरातमध्ये झाला. ते अहिंसावादी होते. गांधीजी भारत छोडो अभियान केले आणि भारताला स्वातंत्र्य मिळाले. जय हिंद. धन्यवाद. करमचंद गांधी जन्म 2 ऑक्टोबर इसवी सन 1869. मृत्यू 30 जानेवारी इसवी सन 1948. हे भारताच्या स्वातंत्र्य लढ्यातील प्रमुख नेते होते आणि तत्वज्ञ होते. महात्मा गांधी या नावाने ते ओळखले जातात. रवींद्रनाथ टागोर यांनी सर्वप्रथम त्यांना महात्मा म्हणजेच महान आत्मा ही उपाधी दिली. थँक्यू. Born on 2nd October 1869, he is known as the father of nation and Bapu for his incredible contribution in Indian history. He was a great man. He transformed the dream of freedom into reality. He was a very simple man. He did not belong in any type of discrimination like caste. He spent his entire life in bringing freedom to country. So let's celebrate his birthday with great respect and dignity. Thank you.
Thank you, Gandhiji. Dear Gandhiji, back in those days, we were lost and made no sense. Then you came along and taught us to live with independence. We were having a war with the English. The situation was very tense. But then you taught us how to fight with non-violence. You taught us cleanliness, and for that we are trying. I hope you will bless. I had stolen chocolates and lied about it because I had a sweet tooth. Then my mom told me her stories and I learned how to say the truth. Now because of you, I will always be living with honesty. And thank you for teaching us the values of the three monkeys. I thank you, Gandhiji. I thank you lots and lots. And this is for everything you taught. So my dear friends, I hope you are thanking Gandhiji too for everything he has taught you. Yours truly, Rishita Prabhu.
To all, today I would like to tell you all about one of the three wise monkeys of Mahatma Gandhi, that is Iwazaru, which tells us to speak no evil. He has his fingers on his lips and not a single naughty word between him ever's lips. If any time some naughty things I wish to say, I must remember Iwazaru the little monkey. Thank you.
रघुपति राघव राज born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, in a Hindu family. My father, Karamchandra Gandhi, Chief Minister of Porbandar. He was the greatest freedom fighter. I also called as Father of the Nation or a Rashtrapita. I wore a simple dhoti made from khadi. I believed in simple living and high thinking. I started non-cooperation, non-violence movements. Kind India became free on 1946.
Say a few lines about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 in Ramnagar, Varanasi. He was the second child of his parents. He completed education at Mughal Sarai and Varanasi. He was against the dowry system and caste system, and even he dropped his surname Srivastav. The title of Shastri is the educational title given after he completed graduation. Shastriji got inspiration from Mahatma Gandhi and Lokmanya Tilak to participate in Indian independence movement. He was the second Prime Minister of independent India. He gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan at the time of Indo-Pak War at 1965. He died on 11 January 1966. Shastriji was a man of honesty and simplicity. Thank you.
Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India, was born on 2nd of October 1904 at Mughal Sarai, Uttar Pradesh. He was the second child of Shraddha Prasad Srivastava and Ram Dulari Devi. Shastriji studied at Harishchandra High School and Kashi Vidyapith. He joined the Indian independence movement in 1921. He was deeply impressed and influenced by Mahatma Gandhi. He was one of the honest and noble Prime Minister of India. He gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. He died on 11th of January 1966. Lal Bahadur Shastri was a truly great man who gave less importance to himself. I salute to great leader Lal Bahadur Shastri. Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Thank you. Today is birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was born on 2nd October 1904 in Mughal Sarai in India. His mother's name was Ram Dulari Devi and father's name was Shraddha Prasad Srivastava. His family members called him as Nani. He worked hard to get higher education. He was famous freedom fighter and second Prime Minister of India. Shastriji gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Now I am going to tell one incident from his life when he was Prime Minister of India. One day Shastriji had gone to see a textile mill. That time the owner of the mill was with them. He reached to the godown of the mill. Shastriji asked them to show few sarees for his wife Mrs. Lalita Shastri. Then workers showed a first saree rupees 1,000. Then Shastriji said, "These are also very costly sarees. Show me low price saree." Then workers showed a saree rupees 400 to 500. Then Shastriji said, "These are also very costly sarees. Show me low price saree." request of the mill owner was wasted and Shastriji bought low price sari. Such was Lal Bahadur Shastri, very selfless and great. Many events in his life are very inspiring to us. Thank you. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
राजी शास्त्री पर कविता। बचपन जिसका कष्ट भरा था, कठिनाई से नहीं डरा था, जीवन इसका सीधा सारा दृढ़ निश्चय में बहुत कड़ा था। भीड़ा अनेक बाधा उसे भी उस जैसा भिड़ना होगा, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जैसा हमको भी बनना होगा। पदचिन्ह पर उनके मिलकर हम सबको भी चलना होगा, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जैसा हमको भी बनना होगा। थैंक यू।
Bahadur Shastri was second Prime Minister of India. He was a great freedom patriot and freedom fighter. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 in poor family at Mughal Sarai, Uttar Pradesh, India. His father's name was Sharada Prasad Srivastav, who was a school teacher. His mother's name was Ram Dulari Devi. Lal Bahadur Shastri was educated at Mughal Sarai and Varanasi. Shastriji began to take part in politics at an early age. In 1951, he was elected the General Secretary for the All India Congress Committee. He became Railway Minister in 1951-56. He became Home Minister in 1961. After the death of Jawaharlal Nehru, Shastri became Prime Minister of India. He led the country during Indo-Pakistan War in 1965. His slogans Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan became very popular during the war. Lal Bahadur Shastri died on 11 January 1966 at Tashkent. India will never forget him, his selfless service. He will always be counted as one of the greatest leaders of the country. Thank you. Jai Hind.
आजादी हमें बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। आंधी में भी जलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। थैंक यू।
जय जवान जय किसान. Jai Jawan Jai Kisan was a famous slogan of the second Prime Minister of India, Lal Bahadur Shastri, in 1965 at the public gathering at Ram Leela Maidan, Delhi. Soon after Shastri took over the Prime Ministership of India after Nehru's death, India was attacked by Pakistan. At the same time, there was scarcity of food grains in the country. Shastri gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan to enthuse the soldiers to defend India and simultaneously cheering farmers to do their best to increase the production of food grains to reduce dependence on import. It became a very popular slogan. Thank you.
I am going to tell about Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. He was born on 2nd October 1904 in Mughal Sarai. His father's name was Sharda Prasad and his mother's name was Ram Dulari Devi. He was graduated in philosophy. He was our second Prime Minister. He promoted White Revolution and Green Revolution. He was awarded Bharat Ratna. His slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan was very famous in India. I salute him for his great work. Thank you.
Lal Bahadur Shastri was second Prime Minister of India with the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. He was born on 2nd October 1904 at Mughal Sarai in Uttar Pradesh in India. He was always believed that self-sufficiency and self-reliance as the pillar to build a strong nation. The title Shastri was given after the completion of his graduation at Kashi Vidyapeth. He joined the Indian independence movement in 1921. He was deeply impressed and influenced by Mahatma Gandhi. He was always against the dowry system and caste system. Shastri solved various elementary problems like shortage of food, poverty, and unemployment. He was also known for his simplicity, patriotism, and honesty. He was a great man as well as a great leader and was rewarded by Bharat Ratna. On 11 January 1966, he got a cerebral heart attack and he died. He always said that the preservation of freedom is not the task of soldier alone. The whole nation has to be strong. Thank you. मैं लाल बहादुर शास्त्री आप सबसे कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। हमारी ताकत और स्थिरता के लिए हमारे सामने जो जरूरी काम है उनमें लोगों में एकता और एकजुटता स्थापित करने से बढ़कर कोई काम नहीं है। आजादी की रक्षा करना केवल सैनिकों का काम नहीं, पूरे देश को मजबूत होना होगा। जो शासन करते हैं उन्हें देखना चाहिए कि लोग प्रशासन पर किस तरह प्रतिक्रिया करते हैं। अंततः जनता ही मुखिया होती है। हम सिर्फ अपने लिए नहीं बल्कि समस्त विश्व के लिए शांति और शांतिपूर्ण विकास में विश्वास रखते हैं। जय जवान जय किसान।
महात्मा गांधी यांचा जन्म 2 ऑक्टोबर 1869 रोजी गुजरातच्या पोरबंदर येथे झाला. त्यांच्या आईचे नाव पुतळीबाई होते. त्यांचे वडील करमचंद गांधी हे पोरबंदरमध्ये दिवाण म्हणून काम करत असत. महात्मा गांधी एक महान स्वातंत्र्य सैनिक होते ज्यांनी भारताच्या स्वातंत्र्यासाठी आपले जीवन समर्पित केले. भारताच्या स्वातंत्र्य चळवळीतील महान योगदानामुळे त्यांना राष्ट्रपिता व बापू म्हणूनही ओळखले जाते. त्यांचे पूर्ण नाव मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी असे होते. महात्मा गांधींनी आयुष्यभर सत्य आणि अहिंसा या तत्वांचा पुरस्कार केला. शस्त्र आणि हिंसा कोणत्याही समस्येचे निराकरण करू शकत नाही, उलट त्यामुळे समस्या वाढते असे ते मानत. साधे जीवन जगण्यावर त्यांचा विश्वास होता. जय हिंद.
महात्मा गांधींचे पूर्ण नाव मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी असे होते. महात्मा गांधींच्या आईचे नाव पुतळाबाई असे होते. महात्मा गांधीचा जन्म 2 ऑक्टोबर 1869 रोजी गुजरात मधील पोरबंदर इथे झाला. महात्मा गांधी एक स्वातंत्र्य सैनिक होते. महात्मा गांधींनी मिठाचा सत्याग्रह केला. अशा ह्या थोर नेत्यास माझा कोटी कोटी प्रणाम. जय हिंद जय महाराष्ट्र. धन्यवाद.
Mahatma Gandhi is very famous in India as Bapu or Rashtrapita. The full name of him is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat state. He fought hard for civil rights in South Africa. He started his first movement against British rule in 1970. He took an active part in the Indian independence movement and led India to the path of independence. Thank you.